Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, January 26th. This is David and let's dig into Apple here as we head into the weekend. So this is a name that made an all-time high late last year and then earlier this month came into the Voodoo fire line at 180.66 and started to bounce. Now, it hasn't made it from that fire line, the most important level of our Voodoo lines indicator, all the way up to a new all-time high. It's run out of gas at one of the third most important levels, third degree line, here at 196.70 here this week. And since I don't know for sure what Apple's going to do next, I want to plan out a few possible paths that it could follow. So getting above that snow line, which would have been a convenient place to take off a little bit of profit, and finding support above it, right, that would keep the focus upwards in this name. Right. Meanwhile, getting below the all-important fire line, well, that would have more bearish implications, particularly if it found resistance below. And here in the middle, we don't know for sure. Again, that's a reason why I like to do something to take some profits off the table up at levels like these, knowing that I can reload if we find support above. And for now, what I'll be watching is simply the two Voodoo skylines in the middle, these levels at 186.79 and 190.57. Again, not because I know what price is going to do, but because I've watched the Voodoo lines enough to know kind of how behavior at these levels tells us what to expect next. So long as any pullback from this week's high finds support at or above this 190.57 level, then we could keep focusing upwards, right? Resistance below, so long as we stay below 186.79, is going to keep my eyes on 180.66 to see what we do down there, right? In between, again, still sort of in limbo, but right now, the uptrend we've seen from testing and holding the fire line is intact, again, as long as we stay above 190.57. So I will be watching these levels to give me a roadmap. This is why we refer to Voodoo lines roadmaps, because, again, we don't know exactly what the market's going to do, but we know what sort of paths things tend to follow if they're going to stay bullish or if they're going to turn back down and become bearish. So that's what I'll be watching going forward into next week. We will see how things come together, and I will see you at the next update.
Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.